Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on LRC token. In my last video, which I shared almost a month ago with you, I shared a harmonic bullish reversal bat move with you and a falling wedge pattern that LRC has formed on the daily time frame chart. And I was telling you that we can expect that soon it can break out the resistance of the falling wedge pattern. Right now, this was a video, by the way, that I shared 1 month ago with you. Now, if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then we have broken out the resistance of this channel, this falling wedge pattern, and now we can expect that it can hit the sell targets of this falling wedge. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to recall this very big harmonic bullish reversal bat move that LRC has formed on the weekly time frame chart. And as I shared in my last video with you, that even though this potential reversal zone goes to approximately at 34.8 cents, but we have a very strong support here at 60 cents. Therefore, we can expect that this potential reversal zone is from 75.14 cents and goes to 60 cents. Now, I'm just going to play the chart, and we can see that the price line again moved inside this buying zone, and we had a nice rally up to $1.36, and right now the price line is moving slightly above the buying zone. And during this move, this short rally, the price line has broken out the falling wedge pattern that we were watching in my previous video, and you can see that we are out of this wedge now. And as I've already told you, that we were testing the resistance more than the support. That was another signal that we can break out the resistance of this falling wedge, and indeed the price line broke out the resistance rather than breaking down the support. And now we have the next resistance here that can be a very strong and key resistance at $1.50. However, the target for this falling wedge pattern can be here at the top of the wedge, that is $3.60, and the targets for this bigger bat pattern can be from $1.93 and goes to $3.18. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.